Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a high-converting offer and defining who will buy it. Explain why. Conversion rate and payout determine ROI. Once chosen, create a single landing angle and one audience segment to avoid split focus. Next, implement tracking, add affiliate links, UTM parameters, and the platform pixel so you can measure clicks and conversions. Make sure your creative assets, headline, image, CTA match the angle. Start a small $5.20 test to validate before scaling. You now build creatives that speak to your single angle. Write 3 headline variations and produce 2 visual formats, static and short video. Explain why. Multiple formats reveal which engages your audience and reduces ad fatigue. Launch a /B tests changing only one element at a time and run them for 3 to 5 days to reach statistical signals. Monitor click-through rate and post-click conversion, then shift budget to winners. Also refine landing copy and loading speed to improve conversion efficiency. You finish by scaling winning ads while protecting return. Increase budget gradually, 20 to 30% daily, and watch ROAS and CPA. Once done, set automated alerts for a 30% CTR drop or a 20% conversion decline so you can act fast. If performance falls, troubleshoot an order. Confirm tracking integrity, test landing speed and copy, swap creatives, and refine audience targeting. Make small iterative changes, measure for 3-5 days, and only then change multiple variables at once to avoid confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.